Did you know that the tiny sesame seed packs a powerful punch when it comes to health benefits? Sesame oil, derived from these nutrient-rich seeds, is not only a staple in many cuisines, but also a treasure trove of medicinal properties. Let's explore the myriad ways sesame oil can enhance your well-being. Nutritional profile: sesame oil is a powerhouse of essential nutrients. It is rich in healthy fats, including polyunsaturated and monounsaturated fats, which are beneficial for heart health. Additionally, it contains vitamins E and K, and minerals such as calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus. These nutrients contribute to its diverse health benefits. Health benefits: anti-inflammatory properties. Sesame oil contains sesamin and sesamol, powerful antioxidants that combat oxidative stress and reduce inflammation. Chronic inflammation is linked to various diseases, making sesame oil a valuable ally in maintaining overall health. Heart health: the healthy fats in sesame oil help reduce bad cholesterol (LDL) levels and increase good cholesterol (HDL), thereby lowering the risk of heart disease. Magnesium, another component of sesame oil, aids in lowering blood pressure, further supporting heart health. Skin health: sesame oil is a popular ingredient in skincare products due to its moisturizing properties. Vitamin E in the oil protects the skin from damage and promotes a healthy complexion, making it a natural choice for skincare routines. Blood sugar control: some studies suggest that sesame oil can improve insulin sensitivity, which is beneficial for individuals with diabetes. Incorporating sesame oil into your diet may help manage blood sugar levels effectively. Traditional uses in Ayurvedic medicine: sesame oil is used for massaging to improve blood circulation and relieve muscle tension. Its traditional uses highlight its versatility and effectiveness in promoting overall well-being. Conclusion: sesame oil is more than just a culinary delight, it is a health-enhancing ingredient with a myriad of benefits. To incorporate sesame oil into your diet, consider using it in salad dressings, for cooking, or as a massage oil. However, it's essential to use it in moderation due to its high calorie content. In summary, sesame oil is a versatile and beneficial addition to any health-conscious lifestyle. Its nutritional richness and diverse health benefits make it a valuable component of a balanced diet. So, the next time you cook, consider drizzling some sesame oil to reap its remarkable benefits.